Ecoin, one of the biggest legit airdrops of 2020, is still going on right now. So if you're watching this video, you probably still have a chance for you to be able to claim your free tokens, which have a future value of about $70 US, if I remember correctly. But at the moment, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. I just logged in, and this is basically what I have. I have a current value of $100 US. But if I take this to the exchange, as I'm going to show you right now, it's actually worth about $15 US. So I'm not really sure about the current value that they're talking about that I'm matching it to, but looking at the current value that I'm seeing on the exchange and the available orders that I can actually fulfill right now to trade my Ecoins for my US dollar, is actually trading at $15 US for this amount of tokens that I have. But in today's video, as I said, as the caption said, as the title says, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to withdraw your coins from Ecoin. So stay tuned to this video all the way to the end. You don't want to miss any steps. I'm going to provide all the links down below. If you're new, if you want to get started, it's all for free. So just check out the links down below to be able to create your account and claim your tokens. And then the second link is going to be for the Probit exchange, where you're going to be able to trade your tokens, right? So if you're new to the channel, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and leave a like and a comment if you would like to know more about what's going on. Otherwise, I would also recommend you to join our Telegram group with the links down below so that you get instant updates. Like, I already made this update on my Telegram channel. I shared it with all the 120 people that are there, so they already know about this, but make sure you do one of the two, or at least both, as I would recommend. But anyways, very important thing first. So on the first note, this is very important, this is very key, because if you're gonna join the airdrop and you want to withdraw instantly, please do not opt in for the Ecoiner for life. I opted in for the Ecoiner for life because I don't mind waiting 6 months to be able to withdraw my coins. And also, what attracted me the most was the fact that I can earn 11% interest on whatever is in my account, on my saving balance account. So whatever is there, I actually earn 11% monthly, which is a great deal. So that's why I opted in for the Ecoiner for life. But if you want to withdraw your coins instantly after joining the airdrop, then you just have to verify your account. Make sure you verify your account via verify your mobile number. That's the only way you can verify, or you can invite 1 or 2 people, and then you'll also be able to verify. And then once you're verified, you can easily withdraw your coins following this step by step, right? So first thing first, you're going to need to use the second link below to be able to create your Probit account, or you can just, when you join, they'll actually show you the link right here just below your current value. You can go and then click on that, join, and create your account. So it's also free. And the best part about Probit is that you can actually withdraw up to $10,000 US worth of of any cryptocurrency or US dollar value. It's just measured in USDT, which is tether coin. But basically, that's still like your 24 withdrawal limit without any verification, without anything. So that's really great. So once you have it, all you have to do is just to come to your wallet. So enter your wallet right there. You just have to search for Ecoin, and then when you search for Ecoin, you'll be able to find it, and then search for Ecoin. So when you search for Ecoin, and then it's going to pop up right there at the bottom. So as you can see, there's a lot of coins that you can store on this one, but we mainly focused on Ecoin. So when you see it right there, you're going to see the deposit, the withdrawal, and the trade and transfer. So basically, we want to deposit from our Ecoin, so you're going to click on deposit, and then when you click on deposit, they're going to give you your receiving address, right? So as you can see right there, you get the memo, and then you get the deposit address. So you just have to copy the two, or you can scan it if you on your phone and you are on the Ecoin. Here on the Ecoin, you basically have to come to your withdrawal page, right? So as you can see, the button is right there. So if you don't opt in for the Ecoiner for life, that means instantly your balance will be right here, so you are able to withdraw it. Otherwise, you have to click save and earn, and then you'll be able to have it here, and then you only be able to withdraw after 6 months, or when you remove it from your savings balance to your current balance. So that's why I'm saying, if you want to withdraw instantly after joining this airdrop, just don't opt in for the Ecoiner life, and then you'll be able to withdraw. Otherwise, as I would recommend, as I did myself, and that 11% interest every month is worth it. I mean, looking at the future value right now, if it actually ends up being there, as you can see, there are their aim is to get 100 million users, and then 10 Ecoins will be equal to $1. So that's basically the future value what it's based on. And then the current value is based on 1,000 Ecoins being worth $6, which is not really the case at the moment, but I think that's where it started off when the Ecoin was basically launched on the trading platform. So anyways, let's carry on with what we came here to do. So when you come here, you basically click on withdraw funds, and then they'll ask you if you want to hold your coins and so forth, just like, you know, encouragement for you to hold your coins and earn some extra bit of cash. If you don't want, you just click on withdraw funds, and then you proceed to the withdraw page. But obviously I'm not able to withdraw because I opted in for the 6 months, as I said. So I'm just showing you the whole process that you can follow to be able to withdraw your coins instantly. So as you can see, I've opted in for Ecoin for life, so I have to wait for 6 months in order to withdraw my funds. So anyways, I don't mind that. So for you guys who wants to actually withdraw instantly, you have that's where you go, and then when you click on withdraw your funds, you'll be able to paste your memo. You just copy it and then you go paste it, and then your deposit address, you copy it and then you paste it on that page, on your withdraw page, after clicking the withdraw button, and then you click withdraw, and then all your balance, you just have to wait for a couple minutes, hours, depending on the blockchain, depending on how many confirmations that this blockchain actually wants you to have, like how many confirmations this blockchain requires for your account to be funded. So that's just the amount of minutes or hours that you have to wait for, and then you have your accounts funded. So basically, once you have it funded, all you have to do, if you want to trade them, you have to come back to your wallet again, and then we're going to search for Ecoin. I'm just going to paste it. I don't feel like typing right now. So when you come here, and then you just have to, you can transfer it to your trading account, and then once you want to trade, you just come here to trade, and then they'll show you. So at the moment you can only trade Ecoin for USD tether. So USD tether is exactly the same value as the USD, like the US dollar, United States dollar. So you just go to the market and then you go trade it for that current amount. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you that the current value of 1,000 coins is not actually $6 as they are estimating here on the current value, but basically I think it will get there soon enough, or it used to be there at some point, but then started decreasing. Just like any cryptocurrency, when it starts off, it has a lot of momentum. So basically, once you get to the trading station, as you can see, this is how it looks. So it might look complicated for the first time. If you're first time, you don't know how to trade cryptos, or you haven't used any cryptocurrency exchange. But basically what's happening here is that we have some buy orders. So these are people who are waiting to buy. So as you can see, the order book, there's a lot of coins that they want to buy. So a lot of buyers, investors, people who are waiting on the value of the coin to go up. They're basically staking this coin, because at some point it is going to go back up. I mean, look at where this thing started off at. So it started off at somewhere around 10 cents, 19 cents for each coin. So I think that's like one of the highest points that it ever went. So around that's actually 1 cent, so about almost like 2 cents for each coin. That's as high as it went. And then the lowest it has been is around, okay, as you can see, that number is very, very small. And then this is the current value at the moment. So the last price, as you can see, and then in a day, like what's the percentage it gained or it decreased in value. That's where you can see it right there. And then the highest of the day, as you can see, it really went high. That was really, really high. And then the lowest of the day, and then the volume that has been traded. So there's a lot of trading going on with this on this coin, and then this amount that has been traded in the day at the moment. So almost $1,000 traded today. But anyways, so when you come to here to your account and you have your Ecoins on your account, all you have to do, you have your Ecoins, so you want to sell it to the highest bidder, right? So you can either look at the history, at the order history, or the trade history, but you can look at the history to see what is happening, so that you can see like what was the last price. Otherwise you can just look at the year. So the last price is basically that 99 value. So if you can see, if you look here, you can actually see that, okay, the last value is what the highest bidder is offering, right? So you can just come here, and then because you have your Ecoin account, so you just click on the value, right? And then you can see it populates over here, and then your Ecoin value will be there, right? The amount that you have. Then you just put it, or you just copy all that whole amount and then paste it on your value, or you can just click on 100% of your account, right? And then you click on sell. So when you click on sell, instantly you actually have traded your Ecoins for USD tether. So now all you have to do is to look for an exchange where you can withdraw your USD tether to and then sell it for US dollar or whatever PayPal amount that you want. And on this channel I've actually shared a few of those exchanges that allow you to trade your cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency, to PayPal, and then from PayPal you can exchange it to any of your bank accounts. Otherwise, just look at the wallet and see what you can actually withdraw that you are willing to use on your side, because I know some of these cryptocurrencies, they're actually accepted on other exchanges, right? And once you have it in USD tether, there's a lot of trading pairs on Probit which you can trade it for, right? You can trade your USD tether for any of the cryptocurrencies that you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for Ethereum, you're looking for Litecoin, you're looking for the famous Bitcoin, so it just depends on you what you want to do. Otherwise, you can just scroll down and see any of the cryptocurrencies that you want to trade and use. But as I said, you can just take to a local exchange in your country, and then you can go and trade it for your local currencies as well. So yeah, that's just about it. I think I've taken you through the whole process. So if you got any questions, don't forget to hit me up on the Telegram channel. As I said, the link is down below, and don't forget to use the links down below to also claim your free tokens right now. And then follow these steps that I've shared with you so that you'll be able to trade your coins. Also, if you got any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. So you can just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Peace.